Good morning, student. Student, most welcome to join new class. Student, here I will start chapter 1 and we will continue chapter wise, chapter 1, 2, 3 and so on. Second chapter is the most important, that is a function, relation and function. Without the function, you cannot continue the other chapter. Here chapters are correlated. So, we will start chapter 1, then chapter 2, then chapter 3. Student, we cannot start the topic trigonometry because the name of the chapter is trigonometry function. So first of all, we will know the function. What is the function? The topic function you can learn when you are knowing the basic concept of sets. So that I am going to start the first chapter set, then second chapter relation and function, then continue the topic trigonometric function and others, because here all the chapters are correlated. So we cannot start any chapter at a time because we must know the basic idea of the chapter. So basic knowledge that will be start from the topic set. So now I am going to start the topic set. Student, question is, what is the set? So simply, set is the collection of well-defined objects. What is the set? Set is the collection of well-defined objects. Student, here the term well-defined is most important. Now, question is, what is the well-defined terms? Student, there are so many terms which are not well-defined. Like, if we talk about the good student, good player, best player, right? These type of the terms are not defined. Term good is not defined because we are not having what is good thing, and we are not having any scale or the measurement to say that this particular logic is correct or it is very good, right? So term good is not defined. Similarly, we can say excellent, best, saying poor work, intelligent, terms are not defined because we are not having any scale or any measurement, or there is no yardstick to measure the these type of the terms. So that we cannot define the these terms like good, excellent, brilliant, best, poor, intelligent, and these terms are not defined. Now I am coming the exercise, first exercise, which is exercise 1.1. Let us discuss the question from NCERT book. Question is, the collection of all the months of the year beginning with the letter J. So this is defined because we are knowing the three letters, 3 months which start from J, like July, June and January. So this set is defined. Here all the terms are defined. Student, for the representation of the set, you must be learn two things. First of all, sets are represented by capital letters of English alphabet like A, B, C and so on, or any Greek letter. Greek letters like phi, there is a sign xi, zeta, and so on. And another thing, elements are represented in the curly bracket. We will use only the curly bracket whenever we will represent the set. So sets are represented in a curly bracket. About the set, I will explain so many things one by one. There are two forms of the set: roster form of the set and the set builder form of the set. This is the roster form, but I will explain these things after that. First of all, we will see what terms are not defined. So for that, see the question. First exercise. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So we can say this is not defined because most talented word is not defined. Second, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So here term best is not defined. So we can say it is also not the set. Collection of all the boys in your class. Student, as you know, boys easily can be collected. So here all the boys are well defined. That is why this is the set. Student, now question number 1, fifth part. The collection of all natural number less than 100. Student, it is a set because we can collect the natural number less than 100. It is 1, 2, 3 till 100. So it is the set. Answer is yes. Next is collection of all novels written by Premchand. Student, as you know, Premchand, they wrote all the finite number of the novels, and all the novels are well defined. So it is also correct. Question number 1, 6th part. Answer is yes. Then collection of all even integers. Student, it is also a set because we can collect the even integers. It is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So this set is also well defined and answer is yes. Next is collection of questions in this chapter. Student, in this chapter there are finite number of questions and all the questions are well defined. So this collection will also be a set. So it is the 7th part of question number 1. It is also yes. Next is collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Still, it cannot be said because the term dangerous is not defined. Here, term dangerous is not defined. It is not defined. Therefore, it is not the set, and answer is no. This collection of the collection is not the set because term dangerous is not the defined. This way, your first exercise is completed. Student, now next is the representation of the set. Representation of sets. Student, as you know, sets are represented by capital letters of English alphabet like A, B, C or any Greek letter. There are two forms of the set. First is the roster form. Roster form. Roster form, or we will also say this is a tabular form. tabular form. Second is set builder form. Or it is also called property method. Student, in the roster form of the set, elements are present. Like, if we talk about vowels of English alphabet, then it is a set. A equal to A, E, I, O, U. Here, elements are present. In the roster form, elements are present, but in the set builder form, elements are not present. It is the roster form. In the set builder form, we will write same set as A equal to X such that it is set builder form. It is such that X is N, X is a alphabet of X is an English alphabet. X is the vowels of English alphabet. X is the vowels of English alphabet. English alphabet. This way we will represent the sets.